Hi guys, I'm back with the new sessions. Previously I've taught you how to create stock items in a single mode and with the unit of pieces. Previously I have created the item of mobile smartphones, Redmi Y1, Y2 and Samsung something also. Now in the next sessions I'll teach you with the same process of making of stock items only but with another unit. Previously, we have taken with the unit as pieces. Now we will take an example and unit of meters. Suppose you are selling wires also. You are having electrical showrooms or electrical department and you are selling a wires. So I hope everyone knows that wire is to be sold as meters or gauge or full roll. So you can take it anything as roller or wire meters. So I'll show you how to create items with another unit. So take it as an example of go with the same process, inventory info. I'm going to create stock items, then stock items, click on stock items, then click on create wire 3.5 mm. This will be in primary only, under primary only. This will be there's a two units made already. I have created dozen and pieces. So this will go in as meters. So you have to create another unit. So you can press Alt plus C on your keyboard, Alt plus C. See, they will allow you to make a new unit creations. So now I'll sell this wire into meters. So I'm giving a formal name MT short form, and the full name will be METRE meter. Now already I have 50 meters of wires, cost rupees 17 per meter. See, so I'm taking as an example that I have 50 meters of wire in my showroom or in my department, and I'm selling it with the rate of 17 per meter. See, per meter, and the total value will be 850. See, I can check, I can go back with the escape button. Again, same process, inventory info, stock items. Now I'll click on display. I'm not going to create anymore. I'm just going to see whether my wire, the stock item has created successfully or not. So display, yeah, I can see it's Y 3.5 mm. Yeah, it's created successfully. So this is how we can make or create stock items in different units mode. I hope you guys will find it very helpful and you all will practice in personally in your lappy and computer. And if you have any problem or if you'll face any problem, you can contact me surely, and I'll cooperate with you surely. Thank you very much. God bless you, stay blessed and stay safe. Thank you very much.